Big news for Archidex exhibition visitors in Kuala Lumpur. Get ready to explore 30,000 square meters of top-quality window and door suppliers. Kanod invites you to visit our booth for free. Why choose Kanod windows and doors? 30+ years expertise. 10K plus projects. CE certified quality and energy efficiency. Wind-resistant, rain-resistant, heat insulating, and soundproofing with noise reduction up to 35 decibels. Customizable designs for any architecture. The discounts during the exhibition include 1 free entry, 2 obtain window and door product catalog, 3 free experience of door and window performance, 4 free design and quotation for your project, 5 opportunity to obtain samples, 6 opportunity to become our distributor, top 50 appointments, free design and quote service.